My name is Nifatin Husna and I'll start the presentation. Odor and moisture issues are common in daily life, especially in enclosed spaces such as shoes, bags, and lockers. These conditions are mainly caused by sweat, humidity, and poor ventilation, which can lead to bacteria growth, discomfort, and skin irritation. However, most existing products only mask the odor temporarily and do not address the root cause. In addition, they are often made from synthetic and non-biodegradable materials, which may harm both health and the environment. To address these issues, Resilk is introduced as a sustainable solution. It is made from corn silk with antimicrobial properties and combined with recycled fabric to effectively absorb moisture and control odor in an eco-friendly way. Enclosed spaces such as shoes, bags, and lockers tend to trap sweat and humidity, resulting in persistent odor and dampness, particularly in tropical climates. Existing solutions in the market are often not long lasting as they only mask the odor rather than eliminating it. These products also rely heavily on synthetic and chemical based materials, which can pose health and environmental risk. Moreover, repeated usage can become costly, especially for students and daily users. At the same time, natural materials like corn silk are often underutilized and discarded, while textile waste continues to increase. This highlights a clear gap for a more sustainable and effective solution.
Assalamualaikum. I am Wafa Zulaika. Before we build a single prototype, we define what success looks like through two categories of objective. First, our development objective. We set out to eliminate the persistent odor and moisture trapped in everyday items like shoes and bags. We wanted to move away from the synthetic chemicals and instead valorize waste by repurposing corn silk and textiles. Our goal was to create an accessible, low-cost innovation for everyone. Secondly, our usage efficiency objective. A sustainable product is only good if it actually works. We committed to three non-negotiable standards: effectiveness in performance, safety for the user and the environment, and the meeting of the high expectation of our customers. We aren't just making a green product, we are making a product that works. With those objectives in mind, we move into the development phase. Our method is a process of scientific transformation. We take corn silk and carbonize it on a stove. This isn't just drying it, it creates an activated carbon structure that physically traps other molecules rather than just masking them. We then infuse this core with natural essential oil for a safe antimicrobial scent. To stay true to our zero waste mission, we encase the material in a breathable cotton or linen sourced from unused textile scraps. This was an iterative process. We refined our stitching and increased our filling based on our early prototype failures to ensure the final version was durable and professional. To prove we met our objective, we implemented a rigorous usage efficiency methodology. We didn't just ask for a general feedback from our testers. We conducted a pilot test with 20 users and utilized a strict 1 to 4 Likert scale. We intentionally removed the neutral option or the scale 3 in a 1 to 5 Likert scale to ensure we receive a definitive data on whether our product truly performed. Our survey was strategically divided into three sections: product performance, product materials, and product outcome. By analyzing how users felt about the ingredients and the effectiveness of the odor absorption, we were able to validate that result isn't just a concept. It is a proven high performance resolution and a sustainable lifestyle. That's all from me. Let's continue with the next person.
Assalamualaikum, I am Huda Sakina. So today, I'm excited to share the feedback from our Resilk user survey. Our primary audience for this study consisted of students, making up 61.9% of our 21 respondents. Notably, the largest age bracket represented was the 17 to 20-year-old group at 33.3%. We found a near universal need for this product with a staggering 95.2% of respondents confirming they have struggled with bad odors in their bags, shoes, or wardrobes. Moving into performance, the results were highly encouraging. When asked if Resilk effectively absorbed odors, the majority 66.7% gave us a perfect score of 4. Furthermore, 71.4% of users strongly agreed that Resilk is safer than other odor absorbers currently available. This sentiment was echoed in our market positioning, where another 66.7% of participants rated Resilk as a better alternative to what is currently on the market. One of Resilk's strongest selling point is its environmental impact. An overwhelming 85.7% of respondents gave a top rating to the fact that our ingredients are harmless to the environment. This eco-friendly approach is a primary driver for our customers. 76.2% stated they are specifically more likely to use Resilk because of our sustainable materials, and 71.4% were recommended to others specifically to promote environmental sustainability. Finally, we looked at the overall product outcome and the road ahead. I am proud to report that 76.2% of our users stated that Resilk has fully met their overall expectations. Beyond just the product performance, our community feels strongly about the mission. 76.2% of respondents agreed that more awareness is needed to promote sustainable products like Resilk. With high marks in safety, sustainability, and effectiveness, Resilk is clearly resonating with the needs of the modern, eco-conscious consumer, but there is still a significant opportunity to grow our reach. Thank you.
Our product, Resilk, is special because we turn corn waste like corn silk into a useful air care product. Instead of throwing it away, we use it to make an eco-friendly absorb bag. This helps reduce agriculture waste and support the circular economy. Resilk is also different because it is reusable. Many dehumidifiers are disposable and create more waste, but our corn-based absorbent can be dry and reused, which can save money and reduce environmental impact. Lastly, the regeneration process is very simple. Users just need to dry it and use it again. It is low cost, practical, and suitable for students and households who want a natural and sustainable solution.
Resilk offers several benefits for both users and society. It effectively reduces moisture and odor, helping to keep personal items such as shoes, bags, and lockers fresh while preventing the growth of mold and mildew. In addition, it supports better health and hygiene by reducing food-related issues and improving overall air quality. Furthermore, Resilk promotes environmental sustainability as it is made from biodegradable corn byproducts and recycled materials, contributing to waste reduction and encouraging eco-friendly practices.
Now, let me walk you through how we produce Resilk step by step. First, we collect the corn silk from the corn by the product. Next, the corn silk is dried properly to remove the moisture. After that, we add a small amount of essential oil to give a light and pleasant fragrance. Then, we crush the charcoal into fine pieces so it can mix well and improve the absorption performance. Once ready, we mix the crushed charcoal with the dry corn silk evenly. After mixing, the material is inserted into a sachet to form an absorb bag. Finally, the sachet is placed into the packaging and the product is ready for use.